It's late afternoon, about 5 o'clock-ish, and I'm walking through Cockshoots Wood, which is between Great Missenden and Wendover. Not sure if I'll find any photographs, but it's worth having a look around because autumn's not far away, with it being nearly the end of August now. It's quite dense, this bit. Yeah. There's little pathways going off left and right. So I think I'm on the right one. Yeah, so I'll come back if there's anything. So I'll come out the other side to Coombe Hill Lane. I think it leads down to London Road. You see it just beyond me down there. So as you can see, it's very windy today. It was quite sheltered in the woods, but I'm not actually sure if I'm going to, when I get to Coombe Hill, whether I'll bother going out by the monument there, because that's going to be so windy. Just have to see how it is. Obviously wind isn't very good for steady photos, even on a tripod, and it'll probably be near a sort of sunset by the time I get there. Well, exposed now. Yeah, no more woodland for a little bit, but it's quite a nice view from up here. Just gone through Russell Farm. So behind me is Great Missenden direction. God, that's windy. It's a nice view, but I can't see anything to photograph yet. But you know, that's normal really. If I see anything, I'll certainly get the camera out, because the light's changing all the time. It's a little bit misty in the far distance. I can see Boddington Hill and the Hale beyond, and that's quite misty over there, so maybe I could photograph something, who knows. So that behind me is Boddington Hill. You see over there? You can't quite see in the distance Mentmore Towers even. It's quite some miles away. It's impossible to see on this. With the naked eye you can see it. Anyway, so I've just come out of a bit of woodland, going back uphill. Jesus, look at the state of me. So I'm rejoining the South Bucks Way, and I'm only about, I don't know, 3/4 of a mile from Dunsmore. And Dunsmore is very close to Coombe Hill. In fact, I'm going to High Scrubs and Low Scrubs, a couple of bits of woodland before you get to Coombe Hill. And there's some interesting trees there, which I'll show you later. It's really unusual ones, you won't believe it. Well, here I am at Low Scrubs, looking for the tree, the weird looking tree that I mentioned earlier. It's around here somewhere. You can see behind me there, quite young, spindly trees. Oh, here we are. I think that's it. No, it's a different one. Do you know, I'm not sure. Let me just show you the other side. That doesn't look like it. There was more of an arch, and there was a tree fallen over it. I'm going to have a look around, see if I can see if it is. I don't think that's it. No, because there wasn't this tree in front. I'm going to have a look around. I'll be back soon. I found it. It was a bit further on. I should know the damn thing. I photographed it enough. Look. See that? And as it happens, the light is bloody good. The sun is catching that. I'm going to set up my camera because that light's going to go at some point. I'll be back shortly. I don't know about this. We'll just have to see. Five-second timer. Flies. It's an interesting time of day because you're getting sort of beams of light poking through the trees. That's not the best shot, to be honest. Sun's right behind it. It's not really great. I'll show you the one I shot autumn last year. It was a cracker. All the colours, and that that bush there that was growing in the middle had a different colour to everything else around it. Yeah. It's so dark in here. I'll probably go to Coombe Hill, to be fair. I don't think there's many photographs to be had in here because it's so dark. Yeah, so stand by for some wind. Take some photographs. Although I just have to do a slideshow after this because trying to speak in this wind is damn difficult. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Well, I gave up trying to speak there, it was way too loud. So this is the shot from the woods anyway that I took. And the rest are the ones I took from Coombe Hill. Conditions were quite unexpected when I got up there. It was so misty and hazy, but that wind was howling still. So all of these were taken just freehand. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.